Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my video. My name is Muhammad Rafi Alfiansyah. This is my video. We can to make to configuration DHCP server with the IP pool. This in the first we can to enter this IP for the router. We can connect and this view this MikroTik. We can make the IP pool. And for the attention with the IP pool in the additional to using the easy way by utilizing the wizard feature in the creating the DHCP server. We can also configuration the DHCP server by creating an IP pool. Okay, first, the IP pool itself is a list of IPs or Internet Protocol. This IP pool can be used for the DHCP server and point-to-point protocol server. Actually, when we configure the DHCP server using the wizard as before, the MikroTik, the router MikroTik. And this sample, this DHCP setup and this wizard we can the static configuration and this what the IP pool we can to also create an IP pool first, and then you create a DHCP server and enter the IP pool that you create earlier. One advantage of creating IP pool in advance is more organized IP management. Okay. Maybe now let's just create a DHCP server that use manual setting on IP pool. This in the first we can make this we can click this IP and search for the pool. This IP pool we can this is okay. This is we can make the IP pool for the static configuration, and then we can create a new IP pool. This add and this name for anything. For example, in the class TKJ this one. Yes, in this address we can make for the range IP. For example, I make this IP 192.168.10.2, and this strip we can range for the network file 10.10 maybe 192.168 10 and this 11. For example, this IP range 10.2, this range for the 10.11, and this IP, which means there will only be 5 this IP 10 IP. We can this next pool we can non this, and we can apply okay. And next step we can what is make this DHCP server and this DHCP server we can make to add for before this make DHCP server we can create the DHCP server and this widget this next and because this lab we can this static now more this automatically we can this static and this new DHCP server we can this generic this DHCP server for the what this for the name for anything this for example class tkg this one and interface we can select this VLAN one and this DCP pool we can change for the class tkg1 and this alternative boot support okay we can apply this okay we done this make for the DHCP server and uh, we can try to connect this PC to the router using this or this interface this DHCP1 we can remove and this DHCP interface we can make this Ether2 because we connect for the cable and this apply okay and next step uh, we can open this network adapter option sorry network and internet setting and this setting we can select this change other adapter option and this we can this Ethernet we can open the status properties and select this internet protocol version 4 and select this obtain and IP address automatically can okay it's okay we can more this detail we can reconnect can open to Ethernet status detail and we can see we can what oh yeah we can code this IP for the 192.168.10 and 11 because this before resetting IP for the IP pool IP and pool this range this 192.168.10 and 2 and range for the 192.168.10 and 11 you can see this make 10 and 11 okay this last we can check for the ping 192.168 and 10.11 okay this IP router connect for the IP DHCP pool in PC. Okay, this maybe this video. Thank you for attachment. Have a good day. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.